So there will be few rules that we're gonna talk about one by one, and you just need to keep the rules in mind. We will not be doing all the rules all together, otherwise you will get confused and like it would seems to be a little tough for you. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're gonna do like two or three at a time, and then gonna practice on them, and then we will move
Yeah.
forward, right? So let's start with the rule number one. We will discuss like why the rule exists as well, okay, later on. Few
Okay.
rules we can you can say even prove them. So if you will have the proof in your mind, then like it's gonna be better for you. But
Yeah.
right now we are just talking about what is a rule, okay? Getting it? So we are
Yeah.
like right now not talking about how the rule come into existence and that stuff. Okay, let's take a circle. So the first rule says like if you have what? If you have like a circle and a tangent out there on that circle, so there is a relation between I must say, let's say this is the tangent passing on, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And if you are dropping, you can say like this is the center of circle and this is the radius. So
Mm-hmm.
the angle between what? The angle between the radius and the tangent is always a right angle, okay? That's the rule
Yeah.
you need to keep in your mind. So
Okay.
this is the radius, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the center of circle. So the angle between, you would say the radius and the tangent gonna be 90. That's what you
Okay.
can make a note, okay?
Yeah.
So how to write it down? A tangent to a circle makes 90-degree, okay,
Yeah.
with the radius.
Mm-hmm.
Done with the rule one.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk about the rule number two. Okay, I'm taking the circle over here. Okay, this time, what I will be doing, I will be taking a diameter of a circle out there, okay?
Yeah.
Let's say this is my diameter of circle, correct?
Yeah.
So you need to keep in your mind that whenever you have a diameter of circle, and if the lines going on, you can say from the ending points of diameter to the boundary of circle, so always you're gonna get a 90-degree again, okay? Getting it?
Mm-hmm.
What I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm making like you can say these are the two endpoints of the diameter, right? So line
Yeah.
connecting from where? From the endpoints of the diameter to the boundary of circle always makes what? A 90
90.
degree, okay? We're gonna see the proof of it as well later on. Why is it so? But right now you
Yeah.
can just keep it in mind, okay?
All right.
Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah. Got
I,
it.
okay, then like in the same manner, can I also say that if I will be joining it like over here, it
It'll
also
be the
gonna be the
same.
90, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
If I will
Yeah.
be joining like this, it also gonna be 90.
Yeah.
Yes or no? If I gonna join like this also, it gonna be 90 as well. So the
Yes.
main rule is what? The lines need to be start from where? The lines need to
The
start
boundaries.
from the boundary of, you can say, the
Yeah.
diameter, okay, or the endpoints of the diameter. That's it.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Perfect. So we are erasing it up. We are only keeping one. Yep. So that like it would be better to remember.
Yeah.
So this is like a diameter, and diameter is making on boundary as what? A 90-degree, right? Make sense?
Yeah.
They
So
also
what?
call it like a semicircle. Whenever
Okay.
angles in a semicircle is always what? A right angle,
No.
okay?
Yeah.
Get it?
Right.
This is
Yeah.
also a way to, you can say, remember, but I suggest you to keep it in mind like diameter always makes what? 90-degree on the boundary, okay?
Yeah.
Diameter makes right angle or makes 90-degree on boundary of circle. Or you can also say it like angle in a semicircle is a right angle. That's up to you how you want to remember
Yeah.
it, okay? So these are like the two rules that are based on the 90-degree case, okay? That's why like we are doing them together.
Okay.
So first rule is about what? That if you are like checking angle between the tangent and the radius, it's gonna be
Yeah.
90. And if we are
Mm-hmm.
checking angle in a semicircle, it is also going to be a 90. That's it, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Done noting it down?
Yeah, yeah, I've noted it.
Perfect. So if I give you a question based on this, let's see what kind of a question will appear over there, okay?
Okay.
So the question, let's say giving you that, mm, okay, let's take this. Let's say this is a circle I have, right? Makes sense?
Mhm.
And then out here, this is my center of circle. Out here, this is being like this. Then the scenario is like this is my tangent out there, right? Makes
Yeah.
sense? And I have connected this like this. Okay, this part is an angle E. This part is given to me. Okay, let's say this angle is given to me to be 36 degrees, right?
Yeah.
Getting it? And they are asking me E. So they are saying find E.
Okay.
Is that possible?
Yeah.